Good evening. Today it is 28/6/2023 and the time is 7 o'clock around. And actually, I'm leaving out of town for a temple visit. So I thought of making the video and I want to give you the one magic number for July series. Okay. And last month number was 18,407, the one number magic, and Nifty gave roughly around 500 points, and Bank Nifty 43,909. You all know how many times it closed below, up, below, closed below, up, below, and then finally it gave 500 points more. And again, pranam to market for respecting our timings as well as the numbers, uh, everything. And many Telegram members made money. I was so happy that they had the conviction, to buy based on my recommendation, because I'm not doing anything. It is their own conviction on my, recommendation, and they have taken the risk because it is their own money and they made money. So they need to be encouraged and congratulated for what they have done today. Last 2 days, everybody rocked actually. And our 18,800 call, which we picked at 25 rupees, we exited 78, and the second exit was at 158, but it went to 188. And yesterday itself, I clearly said I was expecting 500% from 22, which was 122, and it did actually. And in the fund, we bought roughly around 19,000 call at 3 rupees. I was expecting 44, 68, 88, and 199 actually, but it gave 1,000%. It went to 30%, and we exited at 28 off of the quantity, and the remaining got stopped out at 9 rupees. And Reliance was the real rocker. And coming to the important point, as I already told you that 28th April was the very important candle for Nifty for the whole year. So unless and until it is not going to break below 28th April low, you don't need to worry about the market. It is still bullish, and the low was 17,885. But again, there it had a 3 combination, but today Nifty had more than 8 combination, based on astrology, based on numbers, based so many things. Okay, I don't want to explain everything now, but it had more than 8 combinations. So simply mark the high and low, because today Nifty made the all-time high when there was 8 combinations. So kindly mark the high and low of this candle. Even this candle will be the torch candle for the coming months to come, another 6 months to come, because we have done the all-time high exactly at the end of the 6th month of the year. So another 6 months is there. So mark this candle. Maybe Nifty is a little bit big candle, but Bank Nifty is a very small candle. It was trading only within the first 1 hour high and low and was doing dilly-dally and all that. But anyway, simply mark the high and low. And 30th is the GAN date. Again, 3rd July is the first trend change date for the month of July, So again, many cycles are, combining together in the 3 days time. Today, 30th, and on 3rd. So too many things are combining. So be a little vigilant, and then try to mark this. Don't marry the stock or marry the index. Whenever it turns, you need to go short or go long. Today I was long, and I clearly mentioned in my WhatsApp that once it breaks 235 candle, 235 to 245 candle, I will go short, and I went short. That put also doubled, but again, the remaining, it came to zero. I bought it at 8 rupees, it went to 16 rupees, and I put a stop loss of 6 rupees. It came in at my 6 rupees. So you should not, simply having a hope and then being long that one day market will come up and all that, and that too, especially for the traders, and especially for the, intraday traders or, F&O traders. You need to be with the market. Whenever market is taking a change, you need to change. Otherwise, it will be very dangerous for your portfolio. And even at this point of time, it will be more dangerous because market is trading at all-time high. So that's my thing. And then we will go and talk about the timing which we predicted today. And yeah, this was the first timing of today. Just a minute. Okay, the first timing was 11:10 to 11:05 to 11:10, and 9:25 to 9:30, 2:35 to 2:45. All these timing we give before market opens. Whatever timing which I am writing in a PPT, it is not without the combo time. And whatever I am writing before the market opens, on the particular day, it is a combo time. It is a combo time. So 11:05 to 11:10, 9:25 to 9:30, 2:35 to 2:40. And I already told you very clearly on the monthly expiry or a weekly expiry, you don't need to watch any option chain analysis. Very simple. Simply mark the high and low of 30 minutes and trade accordingly. There ends the matter. You don't need complex strategies like straddle, strangle, butterfly, cat, dog. You don't need all that. Simply mark the high and low of 30 minutes and take the trade. And today we clearly mentioned for Nifty, it is 15 minutes candle because it is a trend change date candle. So now if you go to the chart of Bank Nifty, mark this 11:05 to 11:10. Okay. So this is the 11:05 to 11:10 candle. See how market work. Today is expiry. Everybody talks about, it is ruled by the FIS, but see how the timing works. This is the first 30 minutes candle low. None of the candle closed below 30 minutes candle low. Okay. Again, this is the timing candle and see how market respects this timing. It went up, came down, touched that number, again bounced, came down, touched that number, again went up, came down, touched that number, again closed above. None of the candle closed below this candle low, which is the timing candle, which we predicted in the morning, which is 11:05 to 11:10 candle. A small candle of 5 minutes candle doing the wonders on the expiry day. It is nothing but we need to simply say pranam to market and simply surrender to market, because we are fighting with big people on the monthly expiry, but still our candle is respected. Our candle is respected. So it is not I am doing something, or it is actually done by the God. That's all I can say. God means it is, according to me, it is market. So the market is doing its work and it has to respect the timing. The see how it works on the even on the expiry day. And when you go to Nifty, this is a simple 5 minutes candle, 9:25 to 9:30 candle. 9:25 to 9:30 candle, and the candle width was 8 rupees. And the candle width was 8 rupees. See, after that, none of the candle closed below. This candle closed above. Again, it came, touched, gave the entry here. Stop loss is 8 points. Further, it has given 120 points. And again, we predicted the second candle is 235 candle, very small candle. And after that, this was a very good fall. And again, it went and closed exactly at the timing candle. Okay, when this is all doing, you need to get a goosebumps. You need to understand that market is speaking with you. Market is always wants to be with you. This is what you need to understand from all this. Okay, so now then we talked about 78 rupees. We exited off of the quantity which we bought at 25, and second was exited at 155. And Reliance was a real rocker, and I bought 19,000 call at 3 rupees, 8,800 shares. Just for a fun, we bought it. Actually, I was expecting 44, 66, 88, and 99 today. Because if you understand, I was talking about 19,132. And today, the opening, the pre-market open, the exact opening was 19,132. 19,132, and that is what I posted here. The pre-market opening showed 19,132, and the high was 19,133. Start watching all these pre-market thing. People never watch all that, but too many cracks is inside that. People, those who understand that, then they will do that. So 19 rupees call, 3 rupees just for fun. It went to 30 rupees. I don't know how many percentage you can call it as, you can call whatever percentage you want to call. And we exited at 28, and the remaining we put 9 rupees stop loss, and it got exited. And this is a counter which we are watching for in the coming days. And these are the counters which we need to watch out. This is based on too many cycles are combining. See, in Nifty, how many time cycle are combining, and Fin Nifty, how many, and metals today literally rocked. Ambuja collapsed, and these are the stocks. Nowadays, we are planning to trade only these stocks when stocks are coming into a lot of convergence in a day. So this entire credit goes to my member, because he has done the work. I have not done any work. I have given all the coding thing, and he has done everything for me. Okay, so now that's all. All that it went up, and then Reliance 2532. What a miracle of that number. So we are expecting Reliance should do this number. Exactly, it went and touched this number. And from there, we clearly said, please take a breather. This is what we said. Reliance, please take a breather for some time. Let the bears create the position. Then we will screw their happiness. And this was the number. And I'm not talking about this number now. I'm talking about this number for a very long time. When it breaks 2304, sorry, 2504, sorry, 2505, it has to go and touch 2532. That's a bandwidth it has to do. Okay. And this is based on fortune signals. So exactly it went and touched and came down, took the rest for 15-20 minutes. Again, it moved up. Finally, after 2:30, nothing was doing well and it went to sideways market. And that's all. Then now let's go and talk about the important number for June series. Okay. So now, and on Monday, I will give this number for July. So this 2 number is enough for you to trade for the entire July month. July expired. July expired. Spot and future number I will give. And this number still holds. Till 30th of June. And Bank Nifty is more or less here only. So let's watch. That's why I don't want to remove this. And coming to the GAN and 28th June, kindly mark it. And this will be the miracle candle again. And 30th is the GAN date. First 15 minutes high and low. We'll do the needful. The 3rd July Jupiter day with too many combinations. So again, try to be little vigilant on that day on 3rd July. On 3rd July, and this is the timing for Friday. This is the timing for Friday. And monthly expiry, 30 minutes high and low will do the magic and literally rock. Okay. And coming to the numbers, this one number is more than enough for you to trade Nifty future for the whole expiry of July. Till it holds 18,903, it is bullish. It is bullish. If it closes below 18,903, it is bearish. Very simple. Only one number takes care of everything. And coming to Bank Nifty, 44088. 44088. Okay, in case if it comes down, then the support will be here, then the support will be here. But as of now, ignore all these numbers. Ignore all these numbers. Concentrate only on this number. Concentrate on only on this number, 44088 and 43903. And if you see today, I was expecting, I was telling that 44521 was the very, very important, crucial resistance. And it went very near to that number, but unable to cross this number. Okay. But anyway, this number will play a major role in Bank Nifty. And Nifty, again, I'm not giving up this number. So let's see whether it's going to do 19132 before any meaningful fall comes. Okay, and coming to trend change date, and I've already marked the trend change date. And on 30th, Manappuram, ICICI Bank, Bosch, GMR, Jubilee Food, 100% you need to concentrate on Monday. 100% you need to concentrate on Monday because today we sold all the index position and we don't want to keep anything with us. For the July series, we want to start fresh in July series. So no index position, completely closed. And in stocks, we are holding Reliance, we are holding Adani Port. Adani Port was a rocker today. Adani Port we are holding, and Jubilant Food I have taken only 3 lots, and I've told my members not to take Jubilant Food. We will trade again on Monday based on the first 15 minutes candle of Jubilant Food because it is having 2 combinations on a single day. 2 combinations on a single day. Okay, and these are the other things. And we already predicted what are the stocks which we need to trade for the month of July based on the time cycle. So we have already selected the stocks and was discussed with our members also. They are doing their homework to bring more cycles to it. And it will be shared with our members. Okay. So that's all, nothing more to add. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Thanks a lot for the Telegram members to have a trust on me because I don't want to talk about my members. My members know what to do. So again, in case if you made any profit out of my recommendation, kindly buy some dinner packets or lunch packets and give it to the needy people. Tomorrow is, Bakrid. You can go to any mosque and then buy something for them and give it to them. If they bless you, market will bless you. That is what you need to. That is what you need in the end of your life. So until then, goodbye. See you soon on Friday morning. So I'll be leaving now, and I'll come back on Friday morning. Let's again begin the July series with a bang. Until then, good night.